Installation video for our floor standing point-of-sale kiosk. Remove the bolts on the sides of the floor stand column and take the cover off the column. Connect the base plate. Connect the column to the base plate using the provided bolts, then tighten securely using the hex wrench. Connect the upper column. Attach the countertop stand to the top of the column using the provided bolts. Make sure everything is aligned before tightening. Cover plate installation. Slide the cover plate into place in the bottom of the countertop stand in the middle of the column. Install the POS bracket and screen. Remove the bolts on the side of the top panel and open the panel. Connect the POS screen to the POS bracket through the front panel using the provided bolts. Close the panel and reinstall the bolts to secure it in place. Payment terminal install. Loosen the wing nuts on the back of the side panel bracket and open the clamp brackets wider than the device. Place the payment terminal onto the side panel and press the clamp brackets in until they are snug against the sides of the device. Tighten the wing nuts back down to secure the clamps in position. Cable management. Press the cable brush grommets into place on the holes on each side of the stand. Route cables through the grommets and through the center of the column as needed. Reinstall the column cover. Slide the cover back onto the column and reinstall the bolts to securely close the column. Printers can be installed on the shelf on top of the cover plate.